Nice and quiet. Really gun it. So that's what it looks like when you put replacement belts on the Laguna Pacifica 800. And you know what? They were the 42s. We got the 50s and they were way too long. So what you have to do is, here's the secret, guys. You got to take these bolts. See these bolts? Push that motor all the way out to the end. Okay, I tightened them down trying to get those 50s on. No way. Take the bolts, make sure the motor is as close to the wheel as possible, and then put the belt around the spindles. For the third one, the second one, the fourth one, and the first one, in that order. That's the way we did them. And then what you do is you get the once that belt's around there, you get your friend to like hold down with their thumb on the right notch. Here's what I'm talking about over here. Can you see those 4 little notches? And then you, wearing gloves, because this is going to hurt, stretch the belt all the way around and move the belt in the direction you're trying to feed the belt, and then eventually it'll go on. This was really hard and not intuitive at all. So just be aware that the 42-inch belts stretch. Put them in hot water, they'll stretch, and they're really pretty strong. So you have a little bit, it's really hard to break them. I don't think you're going to be able to break them. Anyway, that's how that went together. I didn't have video of it, and I'm not undoing it and doing it again because, man, was that a pain in the butt. Hopefully this Pacifica, the belts will outlast the machine, so we won't have to do that again. But now we've got 5 functional wheels at Terra by Terra Studios here in sunny Pittsburgh, PA. Peace out, man.